finally go. Look at that. It's been about a year since I wanted to get a drone like this. Gotta get myself one of these someday. And now that I've finally got enough money, I'd say let's make a quick review about it. All right, let's open this thing up. Let's see. There we go. Got the controller right here. That looks good. I got charger, another charging cable. I am probably never going to use these. Right? Important. I'm guessing those are extras, and we got our actual drone right here. Let's take a look. So small. My God. Here's a DJI Spark for a comparison, and I know this is supposed to be the smaller drone, but I really do think that this fits in smaller spaces when it's folded. This is pretty cool. Let's open this guy up. There we go. It folds just like the Mavic Pro. Yeah, there we go. Looks pretty good. It's decently light, a little heavier than the Mavic. And I say, let's go and take it for a little test run. It's gonna be quite a hike. Look at that view. Get on the rock. This is dumb lit. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but it's like super windy up here. I'm still gonna fly the drone for my first time. It's super steep. It's very scary, but the review must be done. So let's get it going. Beautiful little guy. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's see. Here we go. That's the whole thing. Now we need to find a decently flat place to set it down. This ain't gonna work.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', prima lady singing, coming down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Why is where we're going down, I don't wanna know it.
We're going up, we're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat.
Okay, so I didn't get to fly the Mavic Air for too long, but I did have it for a couple of days, and I did take it on maybe like 9 or 10 flights, and I did compare it to the DJI Spark, as you guys saw in the video, and I gotta say that I just don't think it's a fair comparison. I think it's the wrong drone to compare it to. The Spark on the DJI web store right now is $399 with a controller. The Mavic Air is double that price. But you know what isn't? A DJI Mavic Pro. As you probably saw from the video, the footage off of the Mavic Air is just like on the next level above the Spark, and the feel of flying it feels a lot faster, quicker, the connecting is easier, and it's just an overall a better drone, and it should be for double the price. I really enjoyed the size of the Mavic Air. It was so small. I don't think you can really understand. It's like the length of my palm. You could definitely fit into a way smaller case than, let's say, a Spark, just because a Spark doesn't fold, and the way the Mavic folds, it was just so perfect. And the controller was ideal. So all you do is you plug your phone into the controller, and there's like a little lightning cable or micro USB or USB-C. You plug that into your phone, and it's attached to your controller, and you're automatically connected right away. There's it takes maybe 1 minute to set up the whole drone to be ready to fly out of the case. Now, another thing I loved is the case that it comes with, because the case is so small and so perfect to just toss it in your bag. I didn't like that about some other drones, that they have a big cases that support a lot of accessories that I don't need. I just want the smallest case possible, and the Mavic Air did that. The video quality, 4K was amazing. I haven't tried out the 1080 at 120, but I read some reviews. It's not supposed to be great, but it is cool if you want to shoot something slow motion from a high point of view. I wouldn't say the drone is like insane quality. I wouldn't say it's DSLR quality, but it is really sharp. That 4K is crispy. And if you color grade it right, I think you can get like insanely cinematic footage. It has all manual modes too. You can adjust your ISOs and shutter speeds and whatnot. So it's a really good drone for what it is. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the short little review of the Mavic Air that I had while I was in San Diego last week. And I will be dropping a review on the DJI Mavic Pro soon, so make sure you subscribe to see that. I kind of want to come up with a new tech intro. I'm kind of bored of mine. Alright, anyway, I'll see you in the next one.
We just need some room to breathe. We got mouths, we gotta feed. Killer beat to keep the lease. Gotta step on your feet. Know the dream, it isn't cheap. Tryna take us overseas, cause I'm